Thank you to Blueland for sponsoring today's video. Can homemaking be therapeutic? That's what we are exploring today. I'm taking care of several cleaning tasks around the home and musing on homemaking as wellness. Won't you join me? Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. In today's homemaking video, we are doing some necessary cleaning. Cleaning often feels daunting and undesirable, but if we change our thoughts on the subject, we can allow it to be therapeutic. When we think about it as homemaking, and not necessarily cleaning, we can break down that word homemaking, making a home. It gives cleaning a higher purpose. The word therapeutic implies healing. In medicinal terms, it refers to healing of an ailment. Certain treatments can be therapeutic, for example. I often try to think of homemaking as a healing treatment. That's because, in general, it's not the first thing I want to do each day. In fact, even after all these years, my body, mind, and sometimes soul resists homemaking a bit. I might have fantasies of doing other things, anything really, other than wiping, cleaning, mopping, doing dishes, and cooking. But wash the windows we must. I'm going to show you what I'm cleaning with today, which is Blueland, who kindly brought us today's video. I've shared them with you before. I love their tablet method. Unlike your traditional liquid cleaners that are sold in single-use plastics, with Blueland, all you need to clean your house or your hands is this nickel-sized tablet. Constantly paying for plastic bottles is wasteful, as they're usually $5 to $6 for a bottle of cleaner or hand soap. With Blueland, it's just $2 a tablet, and it can go as low as $1.54 if you buy in bulk, and that really does add up. Here I'm showing you the Clean Essentials kit and the hand soap duo. And here's how it works. Fill your Forever bottle with warm water. Drop one of the tablets into the bottle and allow the tablet to fully dissolve before putting the nozzle back on. So use my link and code down below to get 15% off your first kit with Blueland. Okay, back to cleaning. As I've mentioned many times, I require shifts in my perspective. Otherwise, I won't enjoy daily mundane tasks at all. So I look at the therapeutic properties of cleaning and making a home. Let's look at cleaning. How can that be therapeutic? Well, there is deep satisfaction to be found in cleaning a dirty space. It's like righting a wrong, sorting something out. I focus on the tangible change that has taken place. Something was unsightly, and now it's beautiful. There is healing when you look at it like that. making a smudged glass clear, wiping the dirt off of an outside table. These things provide instant upgrades in satisfaction. I also take moments of deep appreciation for my space and focus on the beauty around me. This is why we should decorate our homes in a manner that pleases us. This also helps because when we finish cleaning, we enjoy our beautiful space even more. Sometimes I'll shut out the rest of the world and listen to music or an audiobook with my headphones. Other times, I'll allow myself to be present with my own thoughts. Sometimes I'll have wild daydreams, or cook up a great idea for a story, or even write a poem in my head, which does require me to run to my journal to write it down. Now, is everything done perfectly and gracefully? No. My therapeutic cleaning usually involves doing what I can when I can, but I try to make the experience as pleasant as possible. Many times I'm in a rush, or I'm exhausted and trying to get things done quickly. Sometimes I'm actually able to go slow and I really enjoy it. When I do this, I focus on the sounds around me. There is healing in those sounds. Everyday sounds we take for granted can be as beautiful as a symphony. And finally, I wanted to share this perspective with you. We all want to live beautifully at home. Each step we take in our daily homemaking tasks brings us closer to beautiful living. Pleasure should not escape our daily life. Whether we take pleasure in lighting a candle, enjoying a delicious luncheon, picking herbs from the garden, laying a tablecloth, arranging a flower bouquet, or ending the day with a cup of tea and a good book. There is pleasure to be found in the everyday, and when our home is running optimally, we can elevate these daily pleasures. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you to Blueland for sponsoring it. Use my link and code down below to get 15% off your first kit. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!